Today in this video, we will talk about how to cancel Halo Collar membership plan. So all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Go onto the Halo Collar website. Log in to your Halo account. Once you sign in, scroll down and navigate Pack Membership. You will see your My Account dashboard. You can also choose Skip and Take Me to My Account. Now you can see your pack and membership plans. Now you need to plan and then select Cancel Plan before you go. Check out the information in the pop-up screen that will appear once you select Cancel Plan. If you're sure you still want to cancel your plan, click Confirm. Your plan will not terminate until the end of the current billing cycle. So you can restore your plan if you change your mind before it ends. If you select Restore, you will retain access to all the features provided by your current plan, as if you never selected Cancel. If you decide to restore your plan after it terminates, you can do so as well by selecting Restore Plan, verifying your plan's configuration, and selecting Agree and Pay to pay for your first new billing cycle. If you have any further questions and would like to speak to our live support team, please feel free to reach out. They'll be happy to help. So by using this method, you can easily cancel Halo Collar membership plan. Hopefully this video will be helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.